Now, it just so happens that does kind of curve around and stays out of the way of the seat belt. The original would come straight over, but the original might be also back here when it came over. This was out of a four-door, so it may be deeper for more comfort. Like I say, these seats are all the way forward. When I put them all the way back, you might have only this much room. But sometimes it might be the old, no one's ever really going to sit back there. You just got to have a seat back there for it to look right. But that gets to be their call. So I don't know